Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in my kitchen I have for you recipe with using my Thermomix. So we're gonna be cooking with the TM6 right now. So if you're interested how to do quick and easy chicken with the Greek yogurt and curry sauce, just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So alternatively, you can do that without the Thermomix. You can use it regular pans. That's totally up to you. It's not necessarily to have that option, but because I'm going to be cooking today with the TM6, I'm going to show you how quick and easy is it with that tool. So at the moment I have put up my rice for cooking and I'm going to start to show you how to do the quick and easy 15 minutes meal at home. Okay, so I'm starting off with the cutting of half of the chilies and putting into my TM6, and now I'm adding 2 or 3 spoons of ginger and garlic paste. If you don't have a paste, you can use the fresh ones, of course. And now mix together to combine the ingredients. Now it's a turn to put 2 medium onions. Mix everything together on the speed 5 for 5 seconds. I'm grabbing the spatula to put all the ingredients from the sides of the dish. It's supposed to look like that after the chopping. And now I'm adding 40 grams of oil. And seasoning, I have half of the teaspoon of cumin. And now I'm adding the curry paste. So if you don't have a paste, you can use the powder one. And if you're using the curry one, if you like the spicy one, you can add a little bit more. And if you like the medium one, you can just add less. So it's totally up to you. I'm adding 2 or 3 teaspoons of coriander in powder. 1.5 of teaspoon of the salt. And now it's time to stir everything up. At this stage, the smell is amazing. And we are nearly half of the way with our cooking. It's time to add 300 grams of passata, 1 large Greek yogurt, 500 grams of chicken fillets chopped in the cubes, and last is zucchini chopped as well in the cubes. It's 300 grams. And leave it for cooking for about 15 minutes. My meal is ready, so now I can start off with putting the rice out and the sauce. It's definitely one of my favorite dishes from TM6, and I don't have to tell you how amazing it is. Okay guys, so now it's the best part of the movie, taste test. I'm gonna try how it tastes. Looks amazing, smells delicious. The rice is nice and crispy, so hopefully It's very, very good. Like, I know it's good because I was eating that like a few times before, so let's try. Zucchini is really, really nice and crispy. The sauce is a little bit spicy because of the curry spice from the jar. It's quite strong. It's really good. And now I'm going to try the chicken. It's like in a restaurant, really. Delicious, delicious. Okay, so I'm very, very curious if you tried that recipe. Comment in description box down below if you like the recipe and how is your thoughts about it. Like, I'm totally in a 7 heaven right now, so I'm gonna just grab the rest and enjoy my meal. And hopefully you like the movie, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more recipes, guys. Bye!